Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Prequel and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.